Vanguard Safety Korea Fisher. Vanguard Korea installed more than 100 glove dipping machine all over the world. One of them are in Suncheon, South Korea. We installed 2 butterfly type machine in 2019. Length is 60 meters and capacity is 900 pairs per hour as basic speed. If you speed up the machine, you can produce 1080 pairs per hour. The mold quantity is 1850 pairs. It will be changed depends on machine length. If you use LPG gas, we install 3 burners and 2 boilers. Maximum capacity of burner is 1,070,000 kilocalories per hour. However, usually you use 300,000 to 500,000 kilocalories per hour. Water consumption is about 5 to 20 tons per day. It depends on the formulation and process of coating. You can think of it as using an average of 10 tons. Now they are producing the NBR foam. You can check the quality of gloves. Check out who Vanguard Safety is.